Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, lecturer EC department. Unit 6 LPC 2148 Peripherals, lecture number 4748. The contents those will be discussed in this session are PLL frequency calculation and the procedure for determining PLL settings. So first we will see PLL frequency calculations. The PLL equations use the following parameters. The first is FOSC, that is frequency of crystal oscillator. Next is FCCO, that is frequency of current controlled oscillator. CCLK, CPU clock frequency or PLL output frequency, which you had seen in the block diagram of PLL. Next is MPLL, that is multiplier value, which is set using MSEL bit in PLL CFG register. Next is PPLL, that is the divider value, which is set using PSCL bit in PLL CFG register. Next is P clock, that is peripheral clock or external clock from C clock. First is the frequency of CPU clock or the output of PLL is calculated by using the equation CCLK is equal to M into F oscillator or CCLK, that is FCCO divided by 2 into P. The frequency of CCO is FCCO is equal to CCLK into 2 into P, or FCCO is equal to F oscillator into M into 2 into P. Standard values when PLL is used. The range of F oscillator is 10 MHz to 25 MHz. The range of CCLK is 10 MHz to maximum of 60 MHz for LPC214X MCUs. The range of FCCO is 156 MHz to 320 MHz. Next we will see the procedure for determining PLL settings. We need to perform the following steps for PLL 0. Choose the desired system frequency C clock. The system clock may be based on processor throughput, UART baud rates, etc. Select the input frequency for the crystal oscillator FOSC. The system clock, the CCLK, must be multiple of oscillator frequency FOSC. Calculate the value of multiplier M and configure the MSCL bits from the formulae mentioned above. M is equal to C clock divided by FOSC. The range of M is 1 to 32. From this M value, we need to write MSCL bits in PLL CFG register as M1. Calculate the value of divider and configure PSCL bits. Divider is chosen such that frequency of CCO is in limits. The value of P can be 1, 2, 4 or 8. Thank you.